Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be doing some research on wealthy affiliate, okay? So you've seen wealthy affiliate all over the internet and you're wondering, is this the best way to learn affiliate marketing? So I'm gonna break this down for you over the next few minutes and then you can decide for yourself whether this is the strategy or the path that you wanna go down, okay? So wealthy affiliate has been around for a very, very long time. They are basically an affiliate training center, right, that teaches people how to build websites and mainly do reviews of other programs, and that's kind of how you sort of get exposure, right? So let me give you an example how wealthy affiliate works, right? So let me go through the costs and all that stuff. Now, there's some good things and bad things about wealthy affiliate, I gotta say, right? So the good thing is that, and this is what all the wealthy affiliates talk about, is that it's very, very cheap, and that's true, okay? It's one of the cheapest affiliate training programs out there, but just because it's cheap doesn't necessarily mean that it's good, okay? So if you get in as a basic member, it's completely free. That's a good thing about it. So it will allow you to build websites, right, for free. It will allow you to host for free, only 2 websites per year for free. But hosting isn't that expensive anyway. Hosting is only $10 per year. I mean, if you can't even afford $10 per year, you shouldn't really be starting an internet business, okay? And that's the truth, right? If you want to start an internet business, you do need a little bit of income to get the business started, right? It's just like starting a restaurant. If you wanted to start a restaurant and you had no money, how are you going to pay for the kitchen or the food or the staff or the salaries or the tables and the renovation and all that stuff? So you need to look at your internet business the same way, all right? If you're absolutely broke, you shouldn't be starting an online business. You should be still working and then taking a little bit of income from your salary and putting it into your business and building it on an ongoing basis, right? This is a marathon, it's not a sprint. You're never going to be able to build something successful online if you're desperate. I hope that makes sense, okay? Now, wealthy affiliate, even though it's affordable, is exactly the same thing, right? So, but how they do help you out, which is true, is that it's quite low cost as a basic member, right? The only problem is as a basic member, you're not going to get access to a lot of the premium training that you need in order to be successful with wealthy affiliate. Now, the premium training starts at $19 for the first month, and then it's $47 every month after that, okay? $47 per month. So look at it that way. It's a $47 per month program. Now, if you want, yes, you can use their free website builder, which is called Rubik's, which is pretty cool. But really, if you want to get good at this stuff, you're gonna have to pay for extensions and all that stuff, okay? Because if you want a branded website, using Rubik's is probably not the best thing, and then there are ongoing costs with that. It's not expensive again, but just understand that your full cost of building a real business is not just going to be $47 per month, all right? They'll get you started, but if you want the real training and all that good stuff, you're gonna have to spend a little bit of more money than that, okay? So that's the first thing. Now, let me explain to you what they generally teach you how to do, okay? So this is how wealthy affiliate works. They teach you how to build your own website, and most of the time you're going to be doing reviews, okay? So I'll give you an idea, right? So basically, if I go to Google and I type out something like ClickBank University 2.0 review, this is an affiliate product, right? And you'll see a whole bunch of people here. ClickBank University 2 review, ClickBank University 2 review, is it worth the price, right? ClickBank University 2.0, my honest review, ClickBank University 2.0, Justin and Atlan and Adam, review, that kind of thing, right? Drew's review, blah, 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 okay? All of these guys are basically creating websites that review other products, okay? Now, it's the same if I go to another search. For example, if you go to Google and you type out another review, Inbox Blueprint review, right? This is another internet marketing product. So you can see here, Inbox Blueprint review, demo and bonus, Inbox Blueprint review, I bought it, here's how it went down. Inbox Blueprint is a scam, is it the best email marketing, okay? Now, a lot of these guys are wealthy affiliate students that have used the training to learn how to build their own websites, okay? Now, there's a couple of problems with this, okay? First of all, the strategy that they're teaching you essentially is to build your own website, which is a great thing, by the way, but to create review articles to rank it on Google, all right? And then you back-end people into wealthy affiliate. Now, here's the problem with that strategy, right? Number one, if you're going up against Google and you're trying to rank on their search engine, you're trying to game the Google algorithm. That is quite tricky, okay? So if you've been doing this for a while, and it takes a while because this is called search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is a very, very slow and long-term strategy. All right. So it's not something that you can get results in your first week or your first even, couple of months. It takes a while to rank on Google, because Google, first of all, needs to find out what your website's about. So it takes a while for what they call their spiders to crawl your website. Second of all, the main strategy that Wealthy Affiliate teaches is for you to go out there and review other internet marketing, affiliate marketing products, okay? And then back end people into Wealthy Affiliate. Which, by the way, you don't really earn that much commissions anyway. You only earn $23 a month selling Wealthy Affiliate. So if you think about it, it's going to take you a long time to get to $5,000 or even $10,000 per month. Think about that, right? If you're only earning $23 commission selling Wealthy Affiliate, you'd have to sell a lot of Wealthy Affiliate units before you get to even $5,000. Let me just do the math for you. 5,000 divided by 23, you'd have to sell 217 memberships into Wealthy Affiliate in order for you to get to $5,000 per month. So that's going to take you a while, all right? Now, yes, you can sell other things using Wealthy Affiliate, the strategies that they teach you, but the main strategy that a lot of Wealthy affiliates use is they review other internet marketing products and then they back end them into Wealthy Affiliate. And the problem is because a lot of them use that strategy, it becomes super competitive. Because think about this, right? You only have so much space to rank for that particular keyword phrase on Google, right? Most people only click on the first page of Google. So if you were going after this keyword, inbox blueprint, look how much space there is on the first page. It's not that much space. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spots, right? And most of the time, the way that it works on Google is people will click on the first usually 3 or 4 spots. Okay, after that, they don't really look, people hardly click to the next page. So if you're not ranking on page number 1, you're probably not going to get that many clicks, okay? So this strategy works, however, it takes a long time and it's very, very competitive and everybody's doing it. And then the other problem as well is if you look at a lot of Wealthy affiliate websites, right? They tend to slam other products, okay? So not all of them do that. But I would say that a lot of them do. The vast majority of them do that, right? They'll take a program, and then they'll slam the program, and they'll do a review, a quote unquote review, right? But they'll say bad things about the program, and then they will back end you into Wealthy Affiliate. They'll say, hey, this is not the best way to market online. If you want to market very cheaply online, then check out Wealthy Affiliate. Now, don't get me wrong, okay? Of course, every review, is based on the opinion of the reviewer, but I just want you to understand that that's what a lot of them do, which, sometimes is not the best strategy, okay? And that's why if you actually do a lot of research on Wealthy Affiliate, they get a lot of slack, they get a lot of not so good reviews because that's their strategy, okay? Now, if you were to use the Wealthy Affiliate strategy and review and do other things with it, so go after other keywords instead of just reviewing products, that's not so bad. But most of the time, this is what Wealthy Affiliates do, right? So if you go to like Legendary Marketer Review, it's the same thing, right? Legendary Marketer Review, you'll see all these guys. A lot of them are Wealthy affiliates, right? So this is what they teach you how to do. It teaches you how to build a website and just do reviews. Now, how much work does this take? Okay, well, look, building any online business takes work, all right? However, going this route, it's a lot of work because you have to build out an entire website. You have to take the time to get to know products. You have to review them. You have to write these long reviews, right? Which takes the time. It takes a while. It takes hours to do that kind of thing. And then you have to do all the back end stuff, which, by the way, Wealthy Affiliate doesn't teach very well, okay? So if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is all Google SEO ranking strategies, okay? So it's good, they get you started, and yes, you can get in for pretty inexpensive at the beginner level, but again, if you really want the good stuff, you have to upgrade to premium. Otherwise, you can't really learn the strategies, right? And yes, you can use their free Rubik's program, but again, in order to do this properly, like a lot of these guys that are ranking here, they're not using Rubik's. They're using WordPress, they're using their own websites, which you need to pay for, and you need to pay for hosting and domain names, and there's all these little additional costs. Now, it's not expensive, but just understand that there are additional costs to building your business. It's not just going to cost the premium price of $47 per month, okay? The other thing is that they don't really teach email marketing very well. So what they teach you is they teach you how to build these websites. You sort of come on here, right? And you read the review, and if you're interested, they kind of back you. So he promotes, this guy, Smart Affiliate Success. He promotes Wealthy Affiliate, right? So he'll do a very detailed review. See, this is a lot of work. I mean, in order for you to do this, and this guy is doing quite well, right? I've seen him around for quite a long time. But again, it's not easy to build a website like this because it's a lot of work. Okay, and he spent a lot of time reviewing and writing articles and learning this stuff. So he's been doing this for quite a long time. Okay, and then basically what he does is the strategy is to back end them into Wealthy Affiliate. Now, in order to learn the email marketing part, that is also a component that is missing from Wealthy Affiliate. All right, so overall, so there's a lot of stuff that we're talking about here. Okay, so is it a good program overall? So there are a few things here. Number one, it's very cheap. Okay, so if you're going for cheap, then it's a cheap program. Is it the best strategy in the world? Not really. Okay, because the problem is that they teach you how to go after, build a website and do a lot of reviews. Okay, that's very time consuming and it's extremely competitive, right? So it's not great. So I think that you need additional training in order to compete with a lot of these guys that have been doing it for a while. And that is kind of the main problem. The third thing is that although you can learn to promote other stuff using the Wealthy Affiliate training, they focus very heavily on reviewing other products and back-ending them into Wealthy Affiliate. Now, you don't earn that much money from Wealthy Affiliate. That's the problem, okay? You're earning $23 a month, so you have to be doing this for a long time, and you have to get a lot of sales. Like we already did the math, right? 217 sales in order for you to reach $5,000 per month. That's a lot of sales that you have to make, especially as someone who's brand new, right? In a competitive kind of strategy. And Google changes their algorithm all the time, right? So you're not guaranteed to rank on Google. Anytime you try and game any sort of algorithm, it's tricky, especially the Google algorithm, okay? So again, there's good and bad things about it. Yes, it's affordable, but the strategy is not that great, and it's very time consuming. You have to build out these big websites, which takes a long time. So again, that's my 2 cents on Wealthy Affiliate, and you can take what you want from that, all right? Now, if you're here watching this video right now, you're probably trying to look for a way to make money on the internet, right? So look, I've been online for the last 11 years. I started in 2009, and I've done literally everything, okay? I've done internet marketing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, drop shipping, MLM online. I've done survey websites, GPT websites. I did SEO, which is exactly this strategy, for 1 year, very unsuccessfully. I've built little, websites on Facebook, trying to fill them with products, getting likes on them, trying to get people to buy them, and I couldn't figure it out. Literally, I couldn't get into profit, and that was my biggest problem, right? And so from 2009 to 2016, 8 years, it's a long time, okay, was the worst, most difficult time in my entire life, trying to figure out how to make money online. And then when I finally broke through and figured out how to do this in 2016, it still took me about 2 years before I went full time, because it does take a little bit of time. Now, is it going to take you 10 years to figure out how to do all this stuff? No, not really. But what I'm trying to say is that there's 1,000 ways to skin a cat, okay? And there are good ways, bad ways, and there are very, very good ways to do it, okay? So there's lots of different in-betweens, right? Now, the way that I do it, I think, is a lot more versatile than what Wealthy Affiliate teaches, right? And the way to do that, really, it's also through affiliate marketing. It's the same thing. However, I don't build these, authority websites and review programs in order to get people to see my stuff, all right? The best way to do this is to use multiple strategies, okay, to get people through a sales funnel, bring them through a sales process, and then you can recommend whatever products that you want. Learn email marketing, learn to build a relationship with these people, sell great products where you're earning way more than $23 per month, right? Products that have an upselling process, much more profitable. It's a lot easier for you to get to your income goals. Now, in order for you to do that, you have to learn how to do this properly, okay? And the big other problem that I have with Wealthy Affiliate is the main traffic strategy, the main lead strategy they use is to rank on Google. And that's a problem, okay? What you should have for your business is a front door for your business, which has a very, very powerful sales funnel, selling great products that have a lot of upsells, okay, or a good upselling process, okay, as long as you're selling good products. And then you can have many, many different ways to get people to see your stuff. So whether that's through YouTube, through Facebook, through Instagram, through influencer networks, through display networks, through email marketing, lots of different ways to get people in through the front door. So you're not limited by just one platform like Google, if that makes sense, okay? So look, if you'd like to learn how to do that, right? Because when I finally learned how to do that, I was able to triple my old corporate income, leave my corporate job in April 2019, and I've got hundreds of students all over the world now where I teach them this exact process, okay? And if you'd like to learn how to do that, I like to show you how to do that for free, okay? So all you have to do is click the link below. You'll see a little link in the description box. It's going to lead you to my website. On that website, enter your best email address and I'll send you a video that will show you step by step how I've actually done this, okay? How this actually works. How do you really do affiliate marketing properly? How do you build out your business? And if you'd like, there'll be a way for us to work together as well, So completely up to you. And that is the way that I would recommend to build out a really, really powerful affiliate marketing business, okay? But again, completely up to you, all right? So I hope you enjoyed this review of Wealthy Affiliate. Now you know, again, what the pros and cons are, okay? I'm not saying that it's a bad strategy. There's good and bad with everything, all right? But understand that, yes, even though it is very, very, very affordable, all right, to go through the Wealthy Affiliate strategy, it's also very, very time consuming and very competitive and very difficult to rank on Google. So just keep that in mind, when you're looking at a strategy like this, okay? I hope that makes sense. I hope to see you on the next page. If you'd like to work together, you can check out my free training, and I hope to speak to you soon. Take care.